Hi, my name is Ashwini Kumar and welcome to my channel. So before going into the main content of the video, here one announcement to the NTA UGC NET exam aspirants, and if you are not belonging to this category, then you may skip this announcement. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, then the free live classes are providing in the Unacademy platform. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, the commerce, computer science, education, history, English, Hindi, geography, economics, labor, welfare, psychology, home science, environmental science, electronic science, philosophy, public administration, law, management, political science, and sociology. And including this one, the general paper that is teaching and research aptitude. So the candidates who belongs to these subjects, you are going to get the free live classes in the Unacademy platform. So to avail this one, you have to install the Unacademy learning app that I am providing the link in the description box of this video. And also along with that link, I am providing my WhatsApp number in the description box of this video and the subscription also. So here the free classes and the paid classes, both these two are provided by the Unacademy. So the free classes you can able to access freely, provided by the educator regarding to particular subject. And if you want to take the plus course, the plus course means the complete syllabus of your subject is going to be covered clearly with live classes, and your doubts will be cleared in the doubt clarifying session. And here these are the different subscription plans are provided for the plus classes: 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, and the 24 months. So out of these plans, you may take any one of the plan based upon your requirement. And if you are using this code Ashwini K, then you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. And now while coming to the present content of the video, it is the official public notice released by the University Grants Commission recently. So it is one precautionary notice to all the students who are going to take the admissions or enrolling for the programs offered under open and distance learning or the online learning mode. So it is a precautionary notice to all the candidates who are going to take the admissions under this category. So please forward this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the open and distance learning or the online learning modes. And please subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And after subscribing, tap the bell icon. So now while coming to the main content of this video, here ensuring the recognition status of higher education institutions. So the year-wise recognition status of higher education institutions approved to offer programs through open and distance mode, and the online mode is in public domain, can be accessed at the UGC website. So it is a website that you can able to access the recognition status of the higher education institutions which are offering the open and distance mode and the online mode, so that you have to check regularly. Okay, and in addition to the above, a list of higher education institutions under category 1 as per UGC regulations 2018, which have expressed their intention to offer the ODL programs and the submitted affidavits in the prescribed format has been uploaded on the UGC website, can be accessed through this link. So here, adherence to the duration of the academic session. In view of COVID-19 pandemic situation, the revised academic sessions for this year, as decided by the Commission for ODL programs, shall be kept as a period of 12 months, which is starting from the September to October 2020 and February or March 2021. And now coming to the level of degree programs, if it is undergraduate program, the minimum eligibility or the entry qualification is a 10+2, and for the postgraduate programs it must be 10+2+3, or the bachelor's degree must be there. So the caution against admission in the prohibited programs, that means whatever the below mentioned programs are there, for this below mentioned programs the ODL or the online mode programs are not at all available. So if you saw any type of advertisement from any universities, if they are going to provide the ODL programs for these departments, then please don't believe that one. Here the programs are engineering, medicine, law, dental, pharmacy, nursing, architecture, physiotherapy, agriculture, hotel management, and culinary studies, valuation of real estate, and any other program not permitted to be offered in distance mode by any statutory councils or the regulatory body. Apart from the above, the MPhil and PhD programs in all disciplines through ODL and online mode are also prohibited. So the MPhil and PhD programs in the open and ODL and the online mode are also prohibited. Okay, so these are the details, guys. So just to go through once this notice clearly. This notice you can available in the UGC official website itself. Okay, So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who wants this information. I mean, who wants to take the admissions under the open and distance learning or in the online learning mode. So please take care about that one. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you.